welcome me to where you dey. Now me be Cinderella, oh, and you be Superman, oh, baby. I welcome kiss you where you dey. Now you be Tramenta, oh, now me be Sony, oh, baby. I welcome me to where you dey.
Hey guys, so this is our friend Anya. So we just had breakfast and like I'm feeling so happy. So where are we taking the bus from?
Okay, there's one stop there. Do you want to go there?
Oh yeah, oh of course. So it's obviously raining in Vancouver and we're prepared. Yeah, so we just had like a really good breakfast. I'm so full. But we're going to the mall. And so Amina just told me this morning, they're like, oh, what do you want to have for breakfast? And I'm like, oh, I have. And the way I jumped from the bed.
Like she feels like she had a rocket in her ass, like bad, really bad.
So yeah, so we just had breakfast and then like no showers, nothing, but we're feeling good. We're happy, and then we're gonna go to the mall, which is usually my favorite place to go. So yeah, that's happening, and thank you so much, babe. I enjoyed my breakfast.
Oh, you're welcome.
Yeah, we're not
Always.
usually like this, obviously, but like we can afford to do anything at this point.
Oh, yeah. I'm trying to convince her to move to Vancouver, by the way.
But you know it's not gonna happen.
It will. It will.
Alright guys, so we're going to the mall and see you guys later.
Show me where you dey. Oh yeah, your sister, your brother. Tell me where you dey. Now me be Cinderella, oh, and you be Superman, oh, baby. I welcome kiss you where you dey. Now you be Tramenta, oh, now me be Sony, oh, baby. I welcome me to where you dey.
So we just got to the mall, obviously, and we're going to Urban Behavior, which is like my favorite store in the world. I'm actually feeling so good because I've had like one very heavy breakfast, so we're like, let's go. Yeah, I see it. I see the sign and I'm like,
Now you be Superman, oh, baby. I welcome kiss you where you dey. Now you be Tramenta, oh, now me be Sony, oh, baby. I welcome me to where you dey. Kelly for my, Booby for my, oh, if I love you like me,
Mina had to go do something, so I ended up going to the mall, getting a lot of shopping done, and it's still raining as per usual of Vancouver. Today has just been like a bum ass day because I still haven't had a shower today, and it's just what it is. Anyways guys, so I figure for the rest of the day I'll probably be home because I really need to take a nap because I'm still stuffed from breakfast, and we probably are gonna go see a movie later, so fingers crossed on that because I really want to see the new Maleficent movie from Disney. This is looking white. Anyways, I'm just acting awkward right now, but I'm on my way home, and yeah, I had a pretty fun time today, just like being in the mall and shopping and buying stuff. I pity myself when I get back home. Anyways guys, so I'm like 2 minutes from the house. I just wanted to do a quick update. I couldn't vlog while shopping because I was super excited being in the mall. Alright guys, I will talk to you guys later some other time when I go out again. Yeah, I'm having so much fun by doing this. So hey guys, so we're going out tonight, and this girl looking so hot. Wait,
Please.
who is this? And she's busy hassling me that she's going to fall down, blah blah blah. Yeah, but we're looking pink.
Ooh. Even Mademoiselle is dressed. Oh.
Oh yeah, so we're ready. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yeah, so me, I'm ready. I'm just waiting for this little lady to get ready. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna be vlogging, but I don't have my tripod with me, so it might be really shaky. Alright guys, I'll see you guys wherever we are.
Femi si ole gan. Orí mi